Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot lane assist or lane warning error messages on Audi vehicles. So here we're using the YOUCANIC scanner. What you need to do is plug in the scanner into the OBD2 port and then turn on the ignition. Then once you turn on the scanner as well, go to Diagnostics. From Diagnostics, select Audi. Here you can manually select the model. But if we go back one screen, you can do Smart VIN, and this will pick up the VIN of the vehicle and then will automatically select the model. Sometimes it might not work as far as selecting the correct model, so you just have to manually do it. And then here we have this 3.0 turbo engine, and then we'll click OK. We go to Diagnostics, we go to Control Modules. Scroll down. In this case, its control module is called Lane Change Control System. Is module 3C, line item 27. But this is a 2015 Audi Q7 with troubleshooting. So if the vehicle has more systems, the name might vary a little bit. So keep that in mind. But let's select it. And then this is where first you would go if you have error messages regarding lane assist or lane change system on the instrument cluster. You would go here and read the codes. Alright, in this case we don't have any codes for that system, but if we did, they'll show up in here and tell you a description of what's going on. Then you have to fix it, and then you can come back, and once you fix it, you can come back in here and clear the codes so that you can clear the error message. And let's just I'll cancel this for now. Here you can see information on the control unit for the lane change control system. You can see part number there, hardware, software versions, and things like that. We go to live data, we go custom list. This is good for troubleshooting. Select all, press OK, and then you could see this data live right here. Now if you're driving, this data will also update as you're driving. But we recommend having someone else drive the car while you look at the data, so it doesn't become a distraction for you. And you can see speeds, vehicle speed, and a lot of data that's monitored by this control unit. So again, this is very helpful for troubleshooting. You can also graph any of the data you want. You can grab multiple of the same points that we saw earlier. One last thing, let's go back here, go back again, and we are in the home screen for this control module. In this case there's active test as well. Here we can do this active test indicator lamp for lane change. Activate it and it shows up, turns on the vehicle, and then so you can test that. Some models might have more tests under that control unit. But that's it. If we also recommend doing a full scan sometimes, do a quick scan where the vehicle goes through all the control units. Especially if you're diagnosing intermittent fault codes, or you just dealing with challenging issues, do a full system scan and then look at all the fault codes. When this completes, you can click on report, and it gives you just all the fault codes that are present. And that's all. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.